The RoundView is a systems-based framework for sustainability thinking and learning. It clarifies the three root causes of all environmental problems and their positive opposites, so we can stop causing those problems in the first place. It's really important that more people learn a framework like the RoundView because we need hope. We need to think that we can actually change things and have a better future. So what we've been doing here is running workshops for students and staff across the University of Manchester. We're really wanting to inspire these young people to go out and take this thinking into their future work, but also into their communities, to take it into teaching other people how they can think differently about the future.
The great thing is that it's so adaptable, and so I think that's fantastic. If people want to bring it to their various different local groups and organisations, it can really make a difference in the community.
So we've been working on hands-on learning tools that teach some of the science and the ideas behind it through play, art and poetry. Through putting these puzzles together, students learn the ideas and the puzzles themselves spark different thinkings and conversation. And the idea is that we can use this to scale up this learning in libraries, classrooms, universities, workplaces and community centres worldwide.
So we think with sustainability, we just think we need to reduce plastic or we need to reduce carbon emissions, but it's sort of talking about how can we do this ethically, how can we make this sustainable, how can we do this in a way that benefits people.
The talks were really inspiring and motivated me to actually implement some of the ideas in my own life.
In these workshops, we've got a mix of students who were studying in the School of Environment, Education and Development, largely from property, planning and environmental management, but also from education, geography, architecture and global development. It's really important to get people from different disciplines together to talk about sustainability because we will need knowledge from all different angles to change things. The sciences, engineering, but also planning, geography and the arts and culture and history to really figure out how to do things differently.
Sustainability is something that is inherently multidisciplinary and has to be solved together. And seeing so many people from different disciplinary fields, different experiences, different ages come together today to just talk about sustainability and work through the issues together, that gave me a lot of hope.
We're really aiming for sustainability literacy to become as important as reading, writing and arithmetic. In a way, we're looking for the RoundView to become the fourth R, reading, writing, arithmetic and the RoundView. It's really important that we work across ages because everybody has a part to play. We were lucky enough to work with members of staff from Tesco. We've gone on to work with the National Trust, Natural England, Lancashire Wildlife Trust, UNESCO Manchester City of Literature, all sorts of organisations honing and refining the thinking, the tools and applying it to real-world decision-making.
I found it fascinating, actually. What I really, really loved about it was it really made my brain have to shift in how it thought about things. Loved that you work together in a team, so that really works for me. And I think it probably works for most people because once you've got the input of others, you know, you're like, oh yeah, I hadn't thought about that.
In particular, here with these workshops with students, we're offering employability opportunities where they build their skills in communicating, facilitating workshops, talking about sustainability with different stakeholder groups. And we're finding that students really value this and it's helping them get jobs as well.
So I think one of the things is the mindset I took from today is just to really dive deeper into the questions, think why certain things happen and the root causes of it. It's something that I really valued from this workshop today. I came in not really knowing what to expect, but it was wonderful.
Part of the power of these learning tools is that they bring together all aspects of the curriculum. They can be used to teach geography, history, art, poetry, literature, science. And we're really looking for people to use them in different ways, embedding sustainability in their learning.
I think everybody could benefit from this in terms of just learning something new, but also in terms of how to think about environmental solutions and environmental problems and how we as a society fit into it. So I think it's pretty mind-blowing in terms of how much you get to learn.